I haven't made a video in a couple months. I've been really sick, really hurt. I still got this thing in the side of me. This big wound. Bright idea was, why don't you come back to work? Make sure you don't lose your days. Yeah, the second day I got back to work, I tripped and fell, and I ripped my thing went from like 5.7 centimeters up to 9. So, I mean, over the next like 9 days, I think I missed like 4 or 5 days, maybe 6. I don't even know. The 1 week I missed 4 days out of 5. It was ridiculous. So, yeah. Anyways, I haven't done a video. I kept getting emails to do Sporcle challenges and Hero Wars. Hey, do this, show me how you do that, blah, blah, blah. But what I'm going to do right now is, see this mess right here, all this stuff. These are all like, it's all stuff that I bought either through the mail or if I felt good over the last couple months when I was trying to rehab and get better. Every once in a while, I'd have someone either drive me to the store, maybe I would drive myself if I felt good enough. A lot of times I didn't. But anyways, so I want to show what I got and get this place cleaned up. It's ridiculous. I got boxes there. I got stuff in the kitchen on the stove. Starting to look like orders video, but it don't matter because I just need to get them out of here and in their place. So here, I'm starting with this. I don't know what it is. Oh, cool. I don't know where I got them. I have no idea. But I got 2 packs of these. And wow, you can barely see what it is with all the light. They're the yellow Donruss 2122 Pokemon blasters. Okay, here's where I got it. I got it at a Walmart. Doesn't say which Walmart. Taylor. I remember I went there once. I was up in that area and I said, hey, let's go to Taylor. I don't know. It doesn't say what date. So anyways, $27.48. All right. Anyways, okay, good. All right, one bag down, and I'm actually going to go pretty quick. I know a lot of times I'll say that, and then I just lollygag, but I mean it. Okay, same thing. At one point, these things are all over the place. I remember I went down to Hometown to visit my buddy Bob Ferry, and I wound up going over to the Hometown Walmart. Tons of Prism basketball, tons of Donruss basketball. It's pretty cool. I got another one of those right there. Oops. It'd be nice if I could see without this thing shining in my face. Okay. That one was from Pittston. In my area, right up the road. Okay. Okay, here we go. I think Barnes and Noble. No, it would have had a Barnes and Noble bag. I don't know where this is from. Mm-hmm. Series 1. Series 1. Yeah, the first one was a Mega, the second one was a Blaster. Topps Finest. Oops. I'll tell you what. I love these things. A lot of people, it's only wrestling. Yeah, but they're cool cards. They really are. Give it a try. I'm mostly a basketball, baseball, football, hockey guy. Not in that order. Kills me. I see this and I always have to know. Okay. Yep, I remember that. Alright, more hockey. It's in a Rite Aid bag? I don't think I've ever bought cards in a... Oh, this is from when I went down to see Bob Ferry that day. I picked up those basketballs and Prism basketballs. 21-22 Series 2. That is a hobby box. This is Series 1, same thing. This is the blue one, that's the green one. Hobby box. He gave me a pretty good price on them, so he was only expecting me to buy like one or two. I bought 3 of them. Green one, I think that's a Series 2. Yep, Series 2. And since Bob Ferry always has really cool cards, I always buy packs off of them. So wait till you see this. He's got Stadium Club football, 3 of those. This is cool. I had to. Because I said to him, you never see these. You never see them. Flintstones. Flintstones, FL Flintstones. 2 packs. Oops, 3 packs of 2003 Topps Chrome football. No, that's baseball, sorry. Then we got the USA Today retail pack. It was like $2.29. I think he gave them to me for $1. This was a little bit more expensive, but it was worth it. I think he gave this to me for $4. They sell them in the stores for like $6.99. So he gave me a good deal. He gave me a good deal on these too. Like these things are like $4 or $5, like $4.99, $5.99. He gave them to me for $2 a piece. And then 2 more of those. I couldn't resist. I had to buy them. NFL Flintstones. Pretty cool. Yeah, when I go down to see Bob Ferry, I always bring extra money to buy the wacky things. Pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff. Oh, good, we got. I don't want to exert myself because it hurts so much. All right, there's another bag over here that I didn't get to. All right, good. I was able to reach it. Two of those yellow Donruss 21-22 basketballs. Maybe you can see. Oh, there we go. Try to do it like this, but it's so glary. I don't know who that even is. Oh, the guy from Luca, the guy